I want to check in on the winds, as you mentioned, because the winds right now, they kind of correlate where we have the strongest rain falling over LA, Ventura County, right along the coast. We have gusts close to 40 miles per hour in Long Beach. These are southerly winds from this atmospheric river storm that are enhancing our rainfall rates and bringing us all of these issues. Big flooding concern today over LA, Ventura County, the mountains. Today and tomorrow, this is where we're going to have the high rainfall rates, dangerous flooding conditions. A reminder to stay away from creeks and streams and be alert, be prepared. Places like Altadena, San Fernando, Simi Valley, Thousand Oaks, Fillmore, Ojai. If you're in this pink polygon, then you're at the highest risk for that dangerous flooding. This morning, we've got it through LA, Ventura County, and then gradually it's going to spread over into Orange County and the Inland Empire. So here we are at 9 a.m. and we're seeing the bulk of the most intense moisture over LA County at that time and starting to spread into the IE and Orange County. We're looking at the weather around 1 p.m. Notice at that time, finally, we start to see a break over Ventura County, but it's going to be several more hours of rain in that location. 1 p.m., it's still raining moderately over LA, Ventura County, and over in Orange County. And then here we are around sunset and through the early evening hours, it looks like we get a break. So if you have to do any grocery runs, then that would be the window to step outside. But please be safe. The roads will be soggy and we'll still see some slippery conditions. Tomorrow morning, Christmas morning, we have scattered showers across the area, and we're going to see another round of rain move in by tomorrow afternoon and evening, and that is going to last all the way through Friday. We've got rain in the forecast all the way until Friday. It's not until this weekend when the storm moves out.